If you want to download Google Antigravity on Windows, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can get to the official download page, choose the correct Windows version, and download the x64 installer without any confusion. This is a quick and easy tutorial, so even if you've never done it before, you'll be able to follow along. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows PC. You can do that from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu. Once Chrome opens, click inside the search bar at the top of the browser. This is where you'll type the name of the software you want to download. Go ahead and type Google Antigravity, then press enter on your keyboard. After the search results load, look carefully for the official download page. This part is important because you always want to make sure you're downloading from the correct and trusted source. Click the official result that matches the download page for Google Antigravity. Once the page opens, take a moment to confirm that you're on the right page for Windows. You should see a download option for x64, which is the version meant for most Windows computers. If your system is a standard modern Windows PC, this is usually the one you want. Now click download for x64. The download should begin right away, and depending on your browser settings, the file may start saving to your downloads folder automatically. If Chrome asks you to confirm the download, just approve it so the file can finish downloading. After that, you can wait for the download to complete before opening the installer or moving on to the next step in your setup. And that's it. You've successfully found the official Google Antigravity download page on Windows and downloaded the x64 version. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.